Session, we're going to learn about the exact market and price structure market makes every single day, what you can use in day trading and get this kind of momentums in day trading. So what do you just need to look for in the charts? Market behaves like market goes upside, goes downside, goes upside, goes downside. Sometimes it's sideways, sometimes it came down, sometimes it opens here and goes upside. So what do you need to do? You just need any kind of resistance or support. Market begins here and came downside. So whenever you will think, you will assume whenever market will go at this level, this will act as a resistance level. Okay, so market just broke this level, went upside and just came downside. What was previous time earlier acting like a resistance, it just came downside and now it's acting like a support. So this is called a very famous price action pattern, which one is called by CIP pattern, yani कि change in polarity pattern. So what is change in polarity? The polarity market, the trend of the market, the structure of the market, which was in a downtrend zone, people were assuming market to take resistance here and it was about to come downside from this level. Now market just changes the pattern, changes the trend of the day trading. Now it took support and it were about to go upside. So it's called change in polarity. And market just did this. Market went upside, market came again downside, just came again upside. Now this were two level. We were expecting this level to take again resistance here, but what you should look for additional case, you just get these two lowers. Market was shifting its in higher low formation. So thinking this level should act like a resistance. Now market broke this level and came onto this level and made it a support and market went upside. So this is the concept where market changes its trend during the day, and this is called CIP pattern. Now what you need to do, what is the setup, exact setup, where you need to get the entry, where you need to take the trade. I am coming to this point. So exactly look at this. Market will behave like market opens here, market came downside, market went upside, market then again came downside. Whatever market do, just market should make a high level. As soon as the high level breaks from downside, market should come downside from a swing, proper swing, and just made this should made a candlestick pattern, any bullish candlestick pattern it should make. And from the pattern you should entry of the higher the pattern, you should get SL of the lower low, the two candle low of the candle, and just you will go to go for the uptrend. Just market could do the opposite also. So it can also made beginning of the market here and just market went upside and market came downside. So you must think that this level is your support level, and market just came downside suddenly and market just came upside. So the place was acting like a support level, just now it's became a resistance level for the recent structure, and it can come downside from this level. So exact whenever the support turns to a resistance or your resistance turns to a support, that should be in with the proper swing, it should get a swing. And the second type of market structure can be, it should not give you a swing, just market is begins here, market just goes upside, made a resistance level, market just came downside, market will go upside, but it always will not be a proper swing. Market will show you just a channel pattern, market will just retest the level again and again, and it will go and go on. Okay, so market will break upside, that's like market was in a resistance place, market came downside, went upside. So it means market is in a bullish structure. So when market will make a channel pattern, market will try to break the upside level, and as soon as it broke upside, you have to take an entry for the upside trade. And as similar as that, market will do for the bearish pattern also. There there will be a support level, market will came downside, it will be a support level, went upside, again came downside, and like this market will changes. Market does change their pattern during the day, and market comes down and goes up like this. You need to take the entry, and if market doesn't make this swing pattern, market will must make a channel pattern here, and you just need to sell over below the level, and you are good to go your trade with 2:1 target. So I hope I understand the concept of market, how market behaves, how market moves in the trading. You just see, look for every chart, you just get these patterns. Like I am just giving now the live example what market did today. Just market open here, market begins here, market came downside, went upside, again came downside, market came upside, I mean went upside. It was a small resistance level which turned a spot level. Market was behaving like markets accumulating the buyers. Market was retesting here, makes a channel pattern, and when the channel pattern broke upside, you can see the exploit moves, the insane moves market was doing. So in the beginning of the market opened with the gap down, and it was the first candle and the first candle day high of the day today. So it should act like resistance. When market broke the level, market came downside, and it was also considered as a channel pattern. It broke upside and went upside and again came downside, was a retest pattern. It market itself made again resistance. It came upside but couldn't broke the level, came downside and came upside. Again market was telling you that its shifting is lows in a higher low formation, and market just as soon as market possible, market went upside by breaking the level, and it's made a swing, which was were first what I have learned, that market should make a swing after a breakout or breakdown, or if market doesn't do that, you should get a retest after a breakout. So in this case market made a retest. I just gave you an example, and in this case market just came down with a proper swing, which was your first priority, made a bullish candlestick pattern, also made it this channels pattern. So this type of things just gives you the more accuracy, and just you need to get the entry here over here, and you just good to go with your trade. So in this scenario during the day I have shown you so much examples. Market follows the structure and market just moves by the structure. You just need to get an advantage of the idea of the video. You just get to see every day these things. Market move by this theory. Market, you will get every single area, you will get every single just tops and bottoms with this structure, with this theory. I hope you understand the concept of the video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. I will come again and again with this valuable content. I think this content will add some values to your trading career, and it will make your trading career skyrockets. So be disciplined. I'll meet you again. Bye guys.